I'm Trevor Stamp. I'm the General Manager for GAC Dubai. I'm fully responsible for all the contract logistics in Dubai. We have 85 customers, a mixture of range from pharmaceuticals to FMCG, technology. So we cover the whole spectrum and range of what you would have in the logistics field. With the changes what's happening around the world at the moment with shipping times, response times, the changing market moving more into, especially in the Middle East region, from distributors into direct deliveries and into the e-com world, which is really starting to boom. We have an in-house system at present and it's been our DNA for many years. We need something different. We need to make sure we're right at the front of technology for what we need to do for delivering our customers. And we are following the European market, which is very fast, instant logistics delivery. So the gap, what we needed to do is get the right software rather than develop it in-house. Get something what's already out there, which is proven and is well known around the market. We reached out to Supply Chain Junction to sort of come and talk to us about the journey and what we can do. Me knowing the Manhattan product from previous worlds, it was a great relationship already starting to sort of build before we got into SCJ. And then when we sort of got together and went through the new benefits and the new way of what Manhattan can help and enhance us with things like data, e-commerce, productivity improvements, warehouse efficiencies, and how we can lay out our warehouse to make it the most efficient walkways and picking efficiencies, that's something sort of where we needed to be as a business. You know, the expertise, you know, knowing the Manhattan people, but put SCJ in the picture as well as a joint partnership is absolutely sort of supporting us. You know, they're on site, they're really detailed in the workshops, they're bringing real life scenarios to the table, which is really sort of enhancing my team's knowledge of the product and actually sort of making it, as we go through the design workshops, and making it live for us so we actually see it. And the interaction that we've had with Supply Chain Junction's other customers as well, which is really sort of bringing it to life, real life workshops, is actually really sort of supporting in our design phase to actually make sure we develop and design the best footprint and the best solutions we can have. I think, you know, some really good things that we're really looking forward to for the future, the continuous growth, the continued network what we're having with Supply Chain Junction as well, with their customers, the enhancements what we're doing. Nothing's never too much for them. There's always on the end of the phone, they come to our warehouse, and I reckon the product development and the product knowledge that we are gaining through working with Manhattan Supply Chain Junction is sort of where we need to be for the future. It's a real positive and continuous improvement. I think some of the really interesting thing is us as a business, we've been using the same system now for 35 years. And as we know, people are very much stuck in the way on how we do things when you do things for that long. With the team at Supply Chain Junction coming in and bringing it back to basics and bringing it back to standard ways of working and actually getting us to think that way of working is fantastic, and really sort of bringing the technology to the front of what we want to do in our operation. Some of the things that we're learning through this journey and with the help of SCJ, you know, we believe we know what we want, but we're letting the experts in SCJ and some of their customers and partners they're working with currently at the moment, I think linking in with them, listening to the advice, listening to the support, listening to the materials and case studies what they've had previously is actually sort of making us think a little bit different. We think we want ABC, we actually want ABCD because that's sort of best in class, and what some of our other competitors and the knowledge that SCJ can give us, that's really helping us. So don't be shy to go reach out to their portfolio of customers. It really helps.